Welcome to the OSA Connect app tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the amendment process in OSA Connect. You'll learn when an amendment is required, when a new contract is needed instead, and how to create and submit an amendment step by step. Let's get started. Let's start by reviewing the most common situations that require an amendment to your contract. You'll need to create an amendment when there's a change in compensation, your contract needs an extension, you need to add a federal single audit, there are changes to the scope of work, or your IPA firm has changed its name. There are also situations where you'll need to create a new contract instead of an amendment. This applies when your contract has expired or your tier designation level has changed. If you're ever unsure whether to amend an existing contract or create a new one, contact the OSA for guidance. Next, let's walk through how to amend a contract in OSA Connect. We'll use a common scenario, making a change to a contract compensation as an example. Navigate to the View Contracts Forms page on the left side of the screen. Select the executed contract you want to amend. Remember, only contracts with a status of executed can be amended. In the Action column, click Amend to begin. A Create Contract Amendment window will appear. You'll be asked, is there a change in compensation? Select Yes or No. For this example, we'll choose Yes, since compensation is changing. Click Create to start the amendment. The next page displays your contract form. Scroll down to the Fee and Hour Breakdown section. Here, you can update previously entered numbers or add new compensation details. In the Contract Amendment section, start by confirming that the correct answer for "Is there a change in compensation?" is selected. Once that's verified, review the original contract date, which will already be filled in with the date of the last signature on the original contract. Next, move to the box labeled Section to be deleted in its entirety, and enter the section you are changing. For example, type Compensation. Finally, in the Changes to Scope of Work box, provide updated contract language or describe what is changing. For our scenario, you would enter additional hours and compensation added. If you have supporting documents, you can upload them in the optional Add/or Upload File box. Once you've completed the contract amendment section, you'll see two options at the bottom of the form. Click the red Save button to save your progress and return later, or click Preview to review your changes and submit the contract. On the Preview page, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. This is your chance to catch any errors before submission. When you're ready, you have two options. Click Save and Print to download a copy of the draft amendment for your records, or click Save and Notify OSA to submit the amendment directly to the Office of the State Auditor. After a successful submission, you'll see a green confirmation banner at the top of the screen. This lets you know your amendment has been submitted and is now under review. Once submitted, you'll return to the View Contracts Forms page by clicking back. On the View Contract Forms page, you'll see that your amendment now has a status of Amendment Complete. There are a few more steps before the amendment process is fully complete. After submission, you'll need to wait for OSA approval. Once your amendment is approved, the status will change to Amendment Approved. Once approved, you'll need to start the eSignature process. For details on signing your amendment using eSignature, refer to our tutorials and videos. And that's it! You now know how to create an amendment in OSA Connect. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to our support team for help. Thank you for watching.